I'm Donald. Today I'm going to teach you how to fold swallow X, which is so cool with the airplane that flies the furthest in one of my bunch paper airplanes that I already posted to YouTube. And if you are very lucky, very lucky, I mean you can fly this over 200 feet. Maybe it's about 100 meters long. Okay, and you can see this. You can see very clearly there's the prongs of the airplane. Okay, so all you need to focus is an 8.5 or A4 sheet of paper. I fold the model from 8.5 to 11, but you can use it for. Really depends on which paper you have. I'm going to fold from A4. Of course, this tail will be a bit longer than the 8.5 11 because A4 is 10 inch right here. First, we're going to fold it in half on top to make our center crease. So, unfold that. Take this top one and then fold it to this edge. And the crease must go to the top left corner. We will start off with a water bun base. Not really. Do the same thing on the other side. I guess I'll take this for my own purpose. We're going to flip it over and then pull this top section down. And still pull up this crease intersecting this edge. The crease all the way across. Flip over, and here is a point that's difficult to understand. We poke this point. Now we got this orientation, and then we're going to pull this in. We got this bulges here, just flatten it. We didn't make any new pieces. And you must have this X-wing shape. We're not going to make an X-wing. We're going to make swallow X. It's a bit the same as X-wing. As we're going to take this corner and then fold it to this point, to the top point. Be careful at this point here. You may tear this point. Do the same thing on the other side. If you're not folded carefully, you may tear it out. It will break your model, but it's not affecting anything. And you're going to fold this in. Remember, sometimes this is a flat surface. You have to push it in right there. Do the same thing on the other side. You want to curl it first before we. You're going to take this edge and then fold it into this. To this crease out here, this edge out here. Only to this edge out here, not to the center crease. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. And that's why you see the nose is. You can see the tail's a bit longer here. Look, this only a little bit here, but on here, here's how the little it is huge, bigger. So that's why I already said at the beginning of the video. I will show them in flight when we finish. We're going to fold this up. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then I think this is the trickiest step, but that's not really tricky. You're going to mold this part, mold. You're going to mold this part together. And then here's going to be our 2 prongs. You're going to do something like that. We'll mold this part. Mold it up. And remember, be careful about this. When you mold, you must have this sharp point, like something. Now we have to pull the nose down. You're going to flip it over and then stand off the table, and then you pull like this, and you must got this orientation. And you're going to flat the bubbles right over here. This is the thickest point, this right here. And here it's the centers of gravity. It's after its balancing point. Very be careful. It can be a bit unsymmetry. And then you're going to bend it really hard. You know why? Because these layers are extremely thick. And follow all the way back. Going to fold the other wing of the match. And we open that up and then fold stabilizers for this point. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. About half of the centimeter could be going to be fine. How far you have to fold. That's good. Let's test flight it. Okay. First, you test it without any elevator first. And remember, be careful about this. These prongs are very, very sharp. It's actually a pointy nose, so it can fly for swallow X. And remember to bend this up, but before you do that, let's test it before. This one I already bent it. Remember, this is a bit different from bend it at other points. I bend it in this middle. Let's see him slide. Okay, I'm standing at the start of my boom. Then I throw. That was far, but if you're very lucky, you can fly 150 feet, 200 feet, or 100 feet. Really depends on how you do it. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.